Right, so here we've got a little shop tour. There's Mad Max there. There's a replica of my road car, including fog lights, grills, headlights, wheels. There's also a steering wheel and a dashboard in there. Still got to finish the interior off, but that's more to come next year. Then we've got my Subaru that was practically destroyed, so I've turned that into a drift car with a crash bar. See on the shelf, Subaru off a Thunder Tiger, Peugeot 406 Coupe, Escort Cosworth, another 306, and the JG Dart from Glen at Tamiya Legends. Next up we got more Peugeots. We got a 106, 206, 306, 406 Saloon, another 406 Coupe. Next up we've got my TT02B Neo Scorcher. There's a BMW M46, yet another Peugeot, S15 and an RX-7. Next up we've got a Riri Blackfoot, my 306 Runner, Subaru Brat, 350Z and yet another Peugeot 206. Now on to next year's projects. Right, now this one's a Subaru Brat that was actually trodden on by my friend, so I've repaired that shell and decided I wanted to do something different with it. So we've chopped the bed, and we've also printed some arms for it to adjust the wheelbase so it will fit on a TT01, but still not happy with it, so I think it's going to go on a different chassis. Here's another quick video with my replica road car, but hopefully do a full build video of that next year. Next up we've got a Ford Focus that was sat there, the front end's been a bit destroyed, it's in better days, so decided what can I do with this, and that's where the render come from that you might have seen on Instagram. So let's see what we can do with it next year.